What is up, guys? It's Scott with Never Hedge, back for another Clove update, and we are up. We were up very nicely today, but we just had a big sell a little while ago, and we're slowly buying that dip up. Slowly, those little fishies are gobbling those free shares up. RSI sitting right around 39 right now. And MACDs are looking slightly bearish, but that doesn't matter because there's some crazy stuff going on Fintel right now. So right here, if we go to 4 hours ago, the short borrow fee rate got all the way up to 91.56%. Right now is sitting at not applicable because there are no shares left to short again. A little while ago, we were up as high as 35,000 and then just dropping like a stone all the way down to zero as of 3 hours ago. Last update was 23 minutes ago. Back up into the fourth spot in the highest short squeeze score rank. And people are freaking out about this on Reddit. So right now, this is a desperate last-ditch effort by the hedge funds to save their second quarter before they cover. Onward and upward. Oh, and Citadel isn't even a top institutional investor. We're seeing a 100.9% short borrow fee rate right now as of a couple hours ago. Seeing some discussion by WebPro360 saying shorts don't like our club. Ignore the shorts bashing Clove with fake news, sincere advice, or other misinformation. Just ask yourself, why would anyone with no vested interest take the time to beat and attack a stock 24/7? Do your own research, discover the incredible fundamentals on sale at these low prices, and go buy and hold more shares. Shares, not options. Have a great Clover day. Just remember, guys, it costs short sellers about $1 million per day to stay in their short positions. They cannot afford to be patient. We can. That is our major advantage. Buy and hold, rinse and repeat, never sell. Patience, apes. Clove. Yeah, so this is going to get pretty fucking crazy in the next couple of days, I think. I know I've been saying that for the last week, but as soon as the quarter ends, I think shit's going to get wild. Shit is going to get wild. July 1st, I think, is going to be a pretty spooky day for the shorts. Let's see if there's anything else on Fintel. Well, this is interesting. So, Citadel has added another 100,000 shares, or I guess these would be put options. And so they had the value of those puts is down 50%, which is fucking fantastic. Same with Jane Street. They're down 71%. Oh my word. Yeah, a lot of institutions down 51% here. Who's this? Susquehanna. You love to see that, guys. Minus 51.58%. Minus 55. Well, this guy, this is a small outfit, but fuck him. Main Street down 71%. Fuck these guys. Their Q2 earnings are not going to be great. Good for us. I think they finally will start covering their positions after the end of Q2 and leave this with their tail between their legs because the apes are coming for them and they know it, and we can smell the blood at this fucking 91% short borrow fee is going to eat them alive. All right. Anyways, guys, enough of this nonsense. As always, guys, please make sure you are subscribed to the channel for more updates on Clove as well as other stocks and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I'll see you in the next video.